Hi everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. Today's video is another Jewelry Making Fun Collab video. Every month, on the 18th of the month, different creators, different jewelry makers get together and do a video with different kind of challenges, I would call them. And this is sponsored by Deb Huck at Dahlia Designs. And so after my video, please watch her video and also all of the other creators. I'll link their information below. So this month, one of the challenges was to use the color, let's see, orange or like peach. And then another challenge was to, let's see, use silver. And then the last one was to use a theme of, or like charms with the sun. So I didn't have anything with the sun, at least I don't think I do. I have lots of craft supplies, but I think I don't have anything that met that requirement. So I kind of stuck to the orange and the silver parts, and I met those challenges. So I have a bracelet. This is red agate, like bead chips. I grabbed memory wire, and then I put some accent beads on the end, little silver beads there on the ends. And then that's one of the pieces I made. And then I didn't really make these together, but they kind of do go together. And I made them separately, but just realized they match. So I have something like a set to wear. These are also agate beads. They are faceted and they're pretty large. They're like 1.5 inches long, I would say, in drop length. And I used just some silver head pins, and these have the loop at the bottom. I used some daisy spacer beads. They're not the smallest ones, but they're not those large ones either. I guess the medium-sized ones. I put that at the end of both ends of the agate bead, and then I put my French ear wire on. And that's how I made these earrings. And this bracelet. They really were pretty easy to make, but I thought they turned out okay. And so I can't wait to see what my other partners have done in their collab. I hope you enjoyed my short video. That's what I have for May. Can't wait to see what we have to do for the month of June. All right, please watch the other ladies' videos. Bye-bye. Have a good day.